You're listening to A Moment with Marin. We invite you to sit back and enjoy the show.
Here's another question. Why would we bring certain likes, dislikes, fears, inhibitions from past lives into this life if that music note was whole, total, and complete? This is a good question. So we are not bringing likes, dislikes, and inhibitions and fears from another life into this life. That life is whole, total, and complete. There are certain things that are programmed in the DNA of this body, of this particle that is the human being body, just like it is programmed in plants and all animal life. And these programs are to help with survival. So the fight-flight response is predetermined, it's pre-programmed into this particle to help with survival. So a fear of snakes. A fear of snakes doesn't stem from another life experience because you were bit by a snake. It stems from snakes are dangerous and we don't need to mess around with them. The responses and the fears and things like that are developed here in this particular life. So let's say that we have a fear of water. Now that fear of water might have been developed from when we were very, very young. Let's say that your parents had a fear of water. Something happened to either your mother or father or someone that you know, and they had a brush with something scary and water. Now, if they're holding us and we're running and they're going down to the seashore or they're going to a lake, we pick up on the energy of our parents. So let's say that all of a sudden we're getting closer to the body of water and there is an intensity, there's a nervousness that is being exuded from whoever is holding us to the water. We're picking up on that. So now we're thinking, okay, we're approaching something that is going to be a little bit more dangerous. What is it? And we start processing this. We could have had something happen. We could have, when we were young, slipped in the bathtub and that was scary. And so we learned that we were scared of the water at that time. So there's a whole bunch of different things that help develop the fears and inhibitions that we have in this particular lifetime. It's not a carryover from a past life. Things that are carried through genetically are things that are developed inside the DNA that are done so in order to help keep us alive, to help us survive this life experience. Until we change that pattern kind of keeps going through. I did talk about this a little bit in the most recent book that was published, which is Inside Past Life Connections. So I think that answers this question quickly. I'll talk to you later. Thank you for asking.